If you feel like no matter how many bracelets, necklaces, articles of clothing that you put on, you still feel basic, there's one more thing you can do to go from here to here, and that is your hair. Girl, we all got hair, well, not all of us. Most of us got hair a little bit, at least a little bit. I love just the art of like hair, like fun hairstyles. People don't switch it up enough, especially, no shade to my straight hair girlies, it's always like down or just like half up, half down, maybe here and there. Like I think everybody needs to tap in to the fun hairstyles a little bit more, so I'm here to give you guys the fun hairstyle inspo. And I promise you guys, these aren't just like a bubble braid or like pigtails. Like actually like fun experimental stuff. I tried to mix in a good amount of like less tension or like braided parts, and then like some of them like involve slick backs. I know some of us are trying to free ourselves from the slick backs. I was never a slick back warrior, but sometimes on a rainy day I just want to slick it, and I'm like, no, I can't afford any more breakage. Stay on like my low tension, and I feel like the way to that is braids. A lot of these have braids involved in them, and also I tried to pick hairstyles that would work for all hair types. Some might suit certain hair types more, but I think they're all possible for all hair types. Also, I'm moving around so much and my chair is squeaking, so it sounds like really quiet, but I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'll try to stay still for the rest of this video. Another perk of having a fun hairstyle. The basic outfit in the hair is the outfit. Today I'm wearing all black. Well, honestly, points for the Ed Hardy TBH. Well, today's not really a fun hairstyle day. It's kind of a struggle hairstyle. I'm just gonna braid it all down, and I was like, what if I only do the front too? Well, it's conversations started like, oh, I like your hair, because how many people are walking around with bows and bubbles and all that, right? And I just think fun hairstyles are so like, I think when like my hair, like when I do like a fun new hairstyle, like it just like makes, it even like changes my face. I'm like I don't know, like the first time I did a side part slick back, boy, you couldn't tell me anything. Like you literally couldn't tell me anything. So yeah, I don't have to sort it into categories. I kind of just put it all together. If I put it all together, I mean, make a Pinterest board. So I will be putting pictures up. It's gonna take a million years to edit, but it's yeah. Anyways, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first one is one that I've never really seen before. I just saw it on Pinterest. It's this little beachy, like it looks like a braid, but it's actually a bun, or it's like braided into a bun, and then it's like a little piece, and it has a little flower. I love that flower hair clip. Literally any hairstyle, you add that little flower hair clip. And speaking of flower hair clip, these are going to be available soon. I need to like make better ones, but these little crochet flower hair clips, I don't know how much they're going to be, but definitely like less than like $7 or less. I'm from Born 2. If y'all don't know about Born 2, let me put in the intro. Anyways, I'm seeing it from a Pinterest video right now. If y'all can't furniture right, I'm sorry. Low-key learn. Low-key, it'll be the gateway to literally everything. Okay, next is it can be slick or not slick. Basically a ponytail into two braids, two or more braids, depending on how thick your hair is and just how many you want. And bonus points if you add a little bow. Similar to this hairstyle, I did 2 and then 2 each, like 2 ponytails and then 2 braids in each, and it was so cute and fun. But I also like it when it's all in the back. You can just like add a little bow. I feel like the bow really makes it. Next is a loose bubble braid with like a really loose bubble braid where it like starts from like the top and then goes down. The wavy hair baddies got it. Yeah, and especially if you put either like bows, ribbons, or like those little like gold hair accessories like around the hair ties. I think it adds so much more to it and makes it so much cuter. The next one is side part space buns with like pieces hanging out. You can either curl your hair, or if you just have curly hair, just like define the pieces that come out. This is such a cute hairstyle to me, especially if you add little hair clips. I've done this hairstyle before. I don't remember if I did high or low with the side part, but it's just so cute to me. It's great for all hair textures. I feel like your hair is not touching you for the rest of the day. It's out of the way, but you know it's cute. Just don't gotta worry about it all day. Like I just love a good hairstyle like that. And honestly, the loose ones be giving like eccentric, like they're called art teacher, you know? Or you can slick it. Some of us don't want to slick. I don't want to do that though. I don't want to do that though. Next is I feel like really I love this for curly hair, but again, works for all hair textures. Just basically down, and then you section the top 2 sections into bubble braids, and you can either like stop the bubble braid like in the middle of your head and then just let it flow down, or do a complete bubble braid. I feel like it's just so cute and simple. I don't know if it's just me, but the top layer of my hair, it does not hold its like definition. It doesn't like shrink up. It's just like wavy at this point, like barely even. Like it's never defined. Sometimes I don't want my hair in my face. That's the perfect amount. If you still want your hair to be down, but you don't want it in your face, I feel like this is so good. Or you could just do regular braids, like flat braids. You can also do the bubble braids like all the way, like not just the top 2 sections, but like all the way around. And it's just so cute. Any hairstyle where it's like braided or bubble braids and then back and then like the rest of it is out is my favorite. I know that just made no sense, but next is the same idea, having most of your hair out and then the front in bantu knots. I've never done bantu knots before, but it looks really cute. More of a like statement one, a little prom moment. Or just your day-to-day little bantu knot moment. Don't know what else to say about that one. Next is again featuring the flower hair clip. Just 2 like well moisturized, well I guess if you have straight hair you wouldn't want to do this, but like basically like have a little leave-in conditioner moment, and you just like do a cute little 2 braids back into like buns where it's like on the second tie you just like stop it there like that, and then just like the curly pieces hang down, and then put the little flower hair clip and then let 2 like strands out. So cute, so island girl, Miss Dominican girl, island girl. Ireland is an island. This next one, I'm gonna have to hold your hand. I don't know if it's easy or not. I don't really know how it works, but it's really cute. Like your hair down. Okay, I'm like beating the bush. What the heck? Beating a dead horse. Maybe, I don't know. It's like a little side part moment, or you can do middle part, but side part I feel like serves more. Side part moment, slick it down, just the front. In the middle, like between the slick part and the rest of your hair, it's like a fishtail that goes all the way like that. I don't really know how to, I think I could guess how to do a fishtail braid, but I don't know how to do it like flat down all the way across. It might be like a night before school kind of moment, because I would not be able to do that in the morning. I do not have that much patience in the morning. Yeah, I think this is such a serve. The next one is for my curly girlies. I feel as though for some reason just having a head, like a thickish headband, and just like pushing it back just a little bit, it's just such a serve. And then dramatic edges, like girl, love that. And then you can match the headband to your outfit, period. I don't know if the hair in the front is slicked back or not, or if it's just like tight in the headband. I don't really know, but love it. Next is kind of a collab between like the fishtail side part one and the bantu knot one. Basically just a little side swoop and then bantu knots, and then the rest of your hair just out. Next is, another space bun moment. Okay, front slicked section, then a braid, and then the rest is also slicked again, and then into space buns. Again, I don't think I saw this one before. I think I just saw it when I was putting together this Pinterest board. Love it. Try that one soon, actually. Actually, no. Low tension, guys. Low tension. Stay strong. The next one is, this one's really cool. I've never tried it before, but it's kind of taking the front section-ish of your hair and then dividing it into squares, like parting it into squares, and then you kind of just do like a little hair tie, and then basically so you have 2 sections, you tie them at the root and then cross them over and then tie them down to like the next box on the other side. I don't know how to explain it, but you can tell by the picture what's going on. Next is like a zigzag braid moment. Again, leaving the back of your hair out, but this one takes up basically like more of your head, like more than half maybe, and you just do like a little zigzag parting and just braid. Such a serve. I'm still yet to try it. I feel like I might not have the shape for that, but we go see. Next is side part braids, and then into like a, sorry guys, it's kind of a curly moment, and then into a puff. So basically just side part, braid. So this side goes back and this side goes to the side, and just tie it up into a little puff. Such a simple little serve, and you can keep it in for like a billion days. You can switch it up, you can have it down, up, puffs, whatever. Okay, y'all, we're down to our final 5, I think. So the first one is 2 slicked like braids like into the middle like that and into pigtails. Simple serve. Next one is big bubble braid. Well, I guess it's big depending on if you have thick hair or not, girl. I don't know how this would look on me, but basically it's just basically a a bubble braid in the back, but it's like starting like up here, and then you add more hair, and then just keeps going all the way down. Like a single French braid, but instead of a braid, it's a bubble braid. Is another little zigzag one, but it's just two going into two braids, and then I guess the back is just like slicked back. The second to last one of today's video, this went by really quickly, guys. This video's gonna be like 2 minutes. Oh, I guess I kind of already like, this is like another, like an alternate to like the side part space ones from earlier. I think they have different serves. The other one's like a swoop and high. This one's more of just like a diagonal and low, and honestly I love this one. Final one, a messy bun, but the front is like braided, or I love to do like the little flat twists. Chat, that's it for today's video. Check out Born To on all socials to subscribe and like and watch my other videos. Peace.